What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. It's an exciting day. Finally, we're going to be going stage 2 on my Audi S3. I got my downpipe in the mail today, and I got my tune emailed to me last night for the stage 2 93 map from EQT. So the car's ready. I cannot wait to get this downpipe installed. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be doing it myself. I contacted a friend that's going to be doing it for me. Hopefully I can help him out. It's going to be at his shop, so I don't know if I'm allowed to go in and help out and be able to film or whatnot. If I can, I will. Great. You know, we'll do all the install and I'll have him explain a few things. Unfortunately, I wouldn't be able to do it myself just because you have to move the drive shaft out of the way in these cars and something with the subframe and whatnot. So it is a little more complicated than just a regular downpipe install. So unfortunately, doing it on ramps in the cold outside right now in like 30-degree weather is gonna suck, and I really don't want to do that. So him helping me out is awesome. If I can document it, great. If I can't, it is what it is. I did take some sound clips for before, and I'm gonna get some for after, and then do like, you know, some flybys, and I'll hook up the GoPro to the back of the car so you can hear it while it's driving. I did get the verbal tune as well, just in sport mode, so it should sound pretty good. I'm super excited. So if the next clip is me getting the downpipe installed with my friend, then great. If not, you're gonna just see some exhaust clips and whatnot. So let's get into it. It's gonna be a good video. Stay tuned. By the way, I didn't show you guys, it is upside down, but I did get the CTS Turbo Downpipe. It is a catted downpipe. Here's the cat right here. I just pulled some out of the box so it's easier just to check it out. I don't have enough room in my car to show it, but it is the catted option. They do sell like a test pipe that will remove the cat. Unfortunately, CTS at the moment is not allowed to be sending catless downpipe options to the US. It just won't allow you to if you put in the US zip code. It is what it is, but there is a way around it. I'm not gonna really explain it on video because that's only for off-road use, obviously. But I might be doing that down the road for when I go to the track and whatnot. So for now, it's gonna be a catted downpipe option. Still should sound really good. So yeah. I will put the link in the description for this downpipe in case you guys want it. It is on sale right now. It is a great deal, and the quality is amazing. I mean, the welds look super nice. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but the welds look really nice on the cat and on the downpipe section itself, so that's awesome. So I think I forgot to show you guys before, but there's the downpipe. It's a little dark. Let me... hold on. So here's the downpipe, guys. I think I forgot to show you before. It's a little dark outside, so I just wanted to show you this. The CTS downpipe right there. Brand new clamp and the heart of it right there. So it looks really nice. 3.5 inch all the way down to 3 inch. The engine's running right now, so everything is coming together very nicely. Just wanted to show you guys that before you hear all the exhaust clips, because, you know, I'm a doofus and completely forgot to show you guys that. So smart me.